I'm your host, Haley. I'm your host, Autumn. And our first problem is with Chloe and Sophie and Sydney.
Jeffrey enjoys Pete Pesca's candy. He has discovered that a package contains 273 pieces. He wants to know how many pieces he would have if he bought 6 packages. Can you help them? You have to decide whether you want to use lattice, traditional, or rectangle. After you decided that, you have to multiply 273 times 6. We're going to use lattice. Your answer is 1,638.
That's fantastic. Next up is Kyle, Sydney Lomas, and Elena.
DC picked strawberries in early summer. He collected 389 of them, along with some sore fingers. If we split them into 5 containers, how many strawberries would be in each container? Be sure to explain what DC might do if he has any leftovers. The answer is 77 remainder 4. If DC have 4 leftovers, he can just eat them, or he can put the leftovers in their own separate containers.
That's great. Next is Marissa, Peyton, and Giselle.
Michelle just brought 20 pairs of sweet new shoes. She paid exactly $70 for each pair. How much did Michelle pay altogether? 7 times 2 is 14. And don't use the zeros right now. Then you get the answer 14, then add the zeros. So the answer is 1,400.
That's fascinating. Next up is Gage and Zach.
Chloe can get a deal on iPads. She has found them for $429 each. She wonders how much it would cost to buy 25 of them. Can you help her? First, you multiply 429 times 25, then solve to find the answer. So you get 10,725.
That's cool. Next up is Chris and Haley. Playground equipment isn't cheap, but we just got 42 pieces of it. The total cost was $672. How much did each piece cost individually? $672 divided by 42 equals $16. The way you find the answers to divide 672 by 42, like Chris is doing now. Good math.